We can still get new clients right now and grow our agencies, but we do have to change our approach. For years, our agency has thrived on inbound leads from content, SEO, YouTube, Facebook, you name it. But given the times that we're in now, things have changed. People aren't reaching out to us anymore. They're not necessarily going to Google and searching for SEO agencies. But there are still a ton of companies and industries out there that need our services. The key is we have to take it to them. We can't wait for them to come to us. Now, I know cold outreach gets a bad rap because it can come off as very spammy, and it is if you do it wrong. But the key is understanding that we need to do this at a one-to-one level, meaning we're not just going out and spraying and praying to random lists. We're going out and we're finding very specific people at very specific organizations and sending them a very specific pitch. Now, I'm gonna give you 4 tips right now on how to do that properly. So tip number 1 is all about prospecting. We have to go out and we have to find the right person at the right organization. We like to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator. It takes quite a bit of time, but what we're doing, instead of building a massive list, we're going out and we're building a very specific list of folks that we know would be interested and we know whose companies are growing right now. Tip number 2 is all about what we call cleaning. So going through and cleaning that list and finding multiple data points on that person. What's their Twitter handle? What are they talking about on Twitter? Are they creating blog content? What do they do in their free time? Are they a Detroit Lions fan? All of these different things, these different data points allow us to create very personalized communications when it's time to reach out to that person. Tip number 3 is about creating an offer. So we don't want to just blast people and tell them about our services and say, hello, sir, do you want to hire us for SEO? That's not the case. What we have to do is we have to get them interested with an offer. So based on the data that we have on that person, what they're doing online, what their company does, what their interests are, we can create a very specific offer based on what our services entail that's tailored to that person. So for example, we like to send out offers for a bunch of data studio reports that we have. Sometimes I'll go through and I'll find one very specific tip for their website, fix a title tag here, add more length to this content, etc. Very, very specific, very simple, very straightforward. I'm just trying to offer them value, right? I'm not trying to sell them. I'm trying to give them something free that I think would be of interest to them. Tip number 4 is all about communication and follow-ups. So again, we're not just trying to close them on the first email or the second email. We're trying to build a conversation here. The goal here is not to generate leads, actually, it's to build a relationship because people do business with people that they like. So if we can find the right people, if we can find the right information on that person, if we can send them a very specific offer that we know that they'll like, and then if we're just able to communicate, just have a conversation back and forth, that's not all about us, it's about them. It's about what they want, what they need, how we can help them. Then we've got a clear pathway to turning that person into a lead. And I've got a massive training series on this. It's usually paid, but we're giving it away for free. 10 videos plus templates, plus I'm giving you the automation solutions that we use to speed this up and the process and trainings that we use to build an offshore team to do all of this for us. You guys, I'm telling you, this works. We're generating leads from very, very large companies and still growing our agency despite what's happening in the market. So if you're interested, all you gotta do is hit the link below. You go to the landing page, it's a free opt-in. You'll get access to all the video trainings and our Slack channel where you can ask us questions one-on-one and we can help you build this process. We're here to help you guys succeed. So hit the link below and I'll see you guys inside.